Hi guys, kakagaling lang namin ng Lavangere.
Lavangere. At meron kang biniling.
We're gonna try some of their food. This one is mac and cheese. And this one is spring roll. Sabi nung...
Hindi mo niya tayo yung spring roll.
sabi nung...
Kaiduman.
Yeah, babae duman. It's like kind of... It's the same with lumpia there in the Philippines.
Turon nga ni.
This is a spring roll daw.
Let me see.
Yeah, let's try it.
Spinach dani tsaka cheese.
Yeah. And this one is around 20 kroner each.
Too expensive.
Yes. In the Philippines, it's 20 times 6.6. Yeah, you do the math.
Gano'n na tong.
This one is spinach. This one is cheese and
Chicken.
beef chicken. Yeah. It's yummy. Good.
I don't want.
You don't want? I eat all of that. And we try the mac and cheese. Binawasan niya kanina kasi gutom na daw siya.
True. Tastes
Not
like
bad.
chicken or fish.
Do you think it's delicious? For me, it's 8 out of 10. For you.
me,
Mac and cheese in Norway,
8.5.
8.5. Okay. And for this chicken with spring roll, lumpiang Norway, it's
Hindi, gano'n na tong.
for me it's 9 out of 10. For you?
For me,
Yeah, this one.
9.5.
Not that, this one.
This one. Oh, 9.5.
This one for me it's 10 out of 10. I love it. How much for this one?
Ayun.
This one is sold per kilo. That is
122.
122.20 kroner for half kilo. So it's around 200 plus per kilo. Kung i-convert mo siya into Philippine peso,
Mahal.
so it's around 700 plus in Philippine peso. If you're using Norwegian kroner, mura lang siya. If i-convert mo talaga siya sa pera natin, super duper expensive.
Ay, kung gutom ka na.
So if you want to eat more, if you want to enjoy the food in Norway, don't ever convert it in our currency. Kasi kahit gutom ka, mati mo, busog ka, napakasirang pang pagkakanin nila.